Hi guys, I am back today with my sew sampler from the Fat Quarter Shop. I got this like yesterday and I wanted to do it, but haven't been feeling well, so got a little nap in and had a little energy, so here I am. So let's get into this because I can't wait to see. I still can't wait to get sewing again. I just not felt well enough to sew. I've been doing a few little crafty things. If you follow me, you've seen that I've been crafting. It's like, why isn't she sewing? Well, because I'm new to quilting, it's just a little more intense for me right now. So the crafting is just easier on my brain. So here it is opened up. It says Home Sweet Cottage. And I don't know if you can see the lid there. It's got some little sewing notions and sewing machine on there for fun. So once we pull this out, the back says triangles on a roll. So fast, so accurate, so creative. Half square triangles, quarter square triangles, sew and fold triangles, flying geese, plus braids. There's that. So let's see what's inside. February 2018. This is our little guide that tells what everything is and the prices. Then we get a fun little sticker. Then our monthly basket sew sampler quilt. This is basket block 11. And there's that. And here's the front of it. So there's what it says. And you can buy these on the website. I'll have a link down below. You can buy these cards if you don't get the box. So it's like a little recipe card. And you can put it in your recipe box for sewing. Let's see. This is a 20% off of Martingale books, including O Scrap. There's that. And it's a new book release. 12 Scrappy Quilts. So, first thing here is a couple of packets of fabric. Very pretty fabric. This is the Moda Mama's Cottage. April Rosenthal of Prairie Grass Patterns for Moda. So this is super cute. And it's really soft. And it's very nice quality. See if I can get this off so you can see it. I like to keep it together until I use it so I know what everything is. So let's see what this is. That's just a paper with all the numbers, I guess, of all the colors. So let's see, this is kind of hard to tell. Let's see. Okay, they're different ones, so I can't skip any. I can't get hold of them. You know what I need? I need my stiletto. Looks like a candy cane. Now there's two of that one. I think this one's the same. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hopefully it's showing up better for you than I can see. It's like a bandana. They're super pretty. Oops, I skipped one, I think. There we go. Very colorful and springy. Two of that one. Most of them have one, but there are doubles of some. So you really have just every color in the color family here. The color wheel, whatever I call it. Couple more. There's a lot here. Oh, one more. Oh my goodness. There we go. I don't know my light here. It's a really pretty blue, but in my camera it looks white, but it probably is coming out fine. So we got 2 of those. Let's see what the paper says about that. It says Mama's Cottage Charm Pack. April Rosenthal, inspired by her mother's dream abode, a white cottage trimmed in blue and filled with family. Moda Fabrics designer April Rosenthal poured the same love and labor into her new fabric line, Mama's Cottage. Clean and bright, perfumed with sweet geraniums and daisies. Classic prints like ginghams and paisleys are spruced up with fresh coats of summer coats. They're 100% cotton. It's 42 pieces each, 5-inch squares, and the MSRP is $19.96. So that is that one. Oops. Then we have Triangles on a Roll, 2-inch finished block half square triangles. Grid paper for making 2-inch half square triangles. Makes 200. So here's what it says. This says each roll makes 200 half triangles. This is a fat quarter shop exclusive. Retail price is $9.98. Go ahead and open it so you can see it. Oops, I don't want to rip it. I'm going to stick it in a bag. So there it is. You just lay your fabric on it and then sew where it says. It says layer 2 fabrics right sides together, sew on the dotted line, follow the arrows, rotary cut all solid lines and tear away the paper. This is like, I think it was last month, I can't remember who, well, I think it was the other box that had it. You can use like adding machine tape paper to do this on too. But you know, if you need the lines and you're new, this would be great for a beginner to help you, you know, get your lines and everything down and get it cut right and straight. So I think that's great for a beginner. Let's see. Next thing is MT206. 6722 is the number. There's that. This is 50 weight Aurifil Seabiscuit thread. And the number is MK50-6722-small. 100% cotton Mako M-A-K-O thread. 220 yards. And it's $5.40 retail. There's that. It's just a pretty light, creamy color, which will go perfect with the fabric. And the next item is the mini simple folded corners. Make accurate folded corners every time. Choose between 2 methods: oversized folded corner to trim down, or no trim exact size folded corners. And here is that. I'm going to take it out of here though so you can see it better. So here's a nice little ruler. It says use a simple folded corner ruler for all your quilting projects. Never draw a line or folded corners again. 7 different sizes. Use with any pattern calling for folded corners. Right and left-handed instructions. Free demo on our website. No drawing lines. Remarkably accurate. Doug Leko, L-E-K-O, Antler Quilt Design. So here is the name and everything if you want to look that up and check out their website. I love getting rulers because I only have a few. And I love learning new little tricks for using them all. So anything to make it easier. Because I don't always have a lot of time. Granted, I have had no time. Haha. So now to the pattern for this beautiful fabric. Let me see. Is it on here? Here we go. Oh, the recipe card retails for $1.48 if you want to go online and purchase those. There are some previous months on there. I can't remember if they're 2017, which they probably are, since this is only February. But they're on sale for like, I don't know, half price or something like that, or a little less. So this is Life's a Picnic, Lisa Alexander, and it's showing a table runner. I love that. I love these bright, cheerful colors. They're just so pretty. So it says Life's a Picnic. Who says picnics are only for outdoors? Why not have one every day with this scrappy table runner that's as fresh as a cool breeze? Turn 2 cheerful charm packs into the center of attention on your table. You'll scoop up compliments from family and friends all year round. You need, it says yardage is based on 42-inch wide fabric. You need 2 32 charm squares. So 64 charm squares. And here's a couple pictures showing it. And it gives you some tips and stuff about assembling it. And then you can get the book Oh Scrap if you want to get more of these types of quilting ideas. So that is everything. The Life's a Picnic Table Runner pattern designed by Lisa Alexander for Sew Sampler. MSRP is $9.95 and it's a Sew Sampler exclusive. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.